If you got a long article, essay, or report you don't feel like reading, let's ChatGPT do the hard part. And here's how you can summarize any text using ChatGPT, fast and free. So first of all, open your browser and go to chat.openai.com, or if you are on your mobile device, you can simply install ChatGPT from Play Store. Go to Play Store and search for ChatGPT. You can install it. I already have it in my device. I can simply open it, and if you are on browser, make sure you are signed in, or if you don't have an account, you can create one. It's free. Once you are in, you will see a chat box at the bottom. There you can paste your text you want to summarize. For example, I have that article I want to summarize. I can give him like, this is content of my article and this is my title. I want you to summarize this text, or you can type in give me a short summary of the following, and then you can mention your title and the content of your article. And remember, the more context you give ChatGPT, the better output it will give you. So for example, I can mention there summarize in 3 sentences, or summarize them in bullet points, and you can make it simplified, or you can also ask for child friendly version of that if you need. And this works great for study notes, articles, recaps, and even summarizing long conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech guides like this. And thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.